Hello, my name is Michael Story and I am the Tech Support Specialist for Newcastle Systems. I'm going to be speaking with you today about how to install a battery on your mobile workstation. First thing you want to be sure of is you want to remove any jewelry or anything and use insulated tools. That's kind of the most important thing, as you do not want to short circuit the positive and the negative terminals with anything metal. So per our manual, tools required for the replacement of the battery would be one 10mm open end or socket wrench, or what we're going to be using today is a adjustable wrench. So in order to access your batteries are going to be in this box at the bottom of your mobile workstation. In order to get to the battery box, you've got 4 thumb screws on the side. You want to undo those, make sure they're not all the way out, but out enough where you can just pull the battery top straight off the top of the battery box. Lay that to the side. So when you open your new battery box, you'll open everything. Middle hole here is going to be your hardware. This is the battery hardware for your connections. Keep that to the side or in a handy place. Your battery does have 2 handles to help you get this out of the box. It is rather heavy. Remember to always use your legs. So when you get the battery out of the box, you want to get it set up where your positive terminal is, when you put the battery in the battery box, your positive terminal is closest to the inverter. All right, once you get the top off the battery box, you'll see everything. You've got your inverter, you've got your black negative wire, you've got your meter wire, you'll have 1 positive wire for 1 battery system, 2 positive wires for 2 battery system, and then your battery. So what you want to make sure to do is you want to make sure everything's out of the way, including your battery strap. So good idea, take your battery strap here, place it over the side, so when you put your new battery in, everything's out of the way and you can easily strap your battery up like so. Again, using your legs, place the battery in. First things first, safety. Strap your battery. Pull your cord tight. Okay, so per your manual, there is a special order to tightening down the batteries. You've got your bolt, you've got your lock washer, and then a flat washer. Bolt, lock washer, flat washer. So with your washers, again, lock washer, flat washer, and bolt. Take your positive wire and connect your positive terminal like so. You can tighten it down. So once this is tightened, you want to take the red boot and put it over your positive terminal. So when you're connecting your negative terminal, you want to take the negative part of the wire here and just tap your terminal, because it will spark it upon immediately changing your battery, but this way you can make sure it doesn't spark when everything's connected. But you want to take your meter wire and your negative terminal, again, with your washers the proper way. Get everything connected. And then tighten down. Once this is complete, we can put our lid back on our battery box. Tighten the 4 thumb screws. Alright, so now you want to turn your mobile workstation on. Press and hold the power button. 13 volts on the battery. Your meter will show the battery should be full. And then you want to make sure your power strip is in the on position with the light on.